Namaste dosto. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection. I'm a Vastu, Astro Vastu, Numerology, mobile numerology, as well as switch words, visiting cards, and logo design consultant. Today we are going to cover East Zone. So this is the yellow shaded area for this particular premise. This is the East Zone starting from the center. This is the zone of social connection, networking, uh, as well as the people whom we are whom we are dependent on. This is the must zone for the politicians who need outer support or the support of the people. This zone, again, as in my earlier video, I said when you want to increase the income, increase the business, then this is your first zone to make sure that it's neat and clean, has the perfect energy level, so that you can increase your network and connections, and that will bring you the opportunities. You can use this zone to have a bedroom or anybody nurturing and ambitions of a highly successful public life, especially politicians should use this zone, should sit in this zone as much as possible. Make sure to sit for an hour at least in this zone. Ideal for the drawing room, dining area. Good zone to have a computer, routers, televisions, and telephones. Children sitting in these zones attracted to political studies and humanities related subjects. Avoid open space as it will create a vacuum of a social connection. Staircase in anti-clockwise direction is very beneficial, but clockwise will be a negative for this. Avoid placing bar, family lounge, dustbin, heaters, inverters, kitchen, use of red and pink colors in this zone as it attracts the disease and weakens the immunity. A toilet here makes people disassociated or less social. They basically remain in their own cocoon. Avoid such things. Make sure that there are no clutters, no anti-element. I mean, red color, pink color, yellow color, for that matter, even the white color in this zone. There should not be a fire, especially in this case, in this particular case study. We have a kitchen here, so the remedy has to be applied, and the energy of these zones should be at least average to rest of the other zones, to make sure that we have the positive outcome. Any questions or comments, please do get in touch with us, and do subscribe and follow our channel, as well as share with your friends and family so they also learn basics of the Vastu. Thank you, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.